Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to add and use shape dividers in Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor, and as you can see, I'm in my Wix website editor, and here's a strip or section. And now I want to add a shape dividers into this section. To do that, first of all, I'm going to selecting the section, and here is the shape dividers icon. Just click on the shape dividers icon to open shape dividers pop-up settings. And now to add shape dividers at the bottom of the section or strip, select bottom, and here we can see bunch of different shape dividers available. You can select any of them. So let's add these left with shape dividers, and here as you can see the shape dividers added. Once you selected any specific shape dividers, now to customize or adjust the dividers, go to customize design section, and from here you will be able to increase the color or opacity of the shape dividers, and you can also change the color by clicking on this color box. Select a different color for the shape dividers, and you can also adjust the shape height like this, and you can also enable layer effect, and here as you can see the result. And effect direction, you can change your layer effect direction like this, and you can also flip the shape dividers by clicking on flip. Okay, now I'm going to selecting another shape, for example this wave shape, and clicking on customize design, and here if you scroll down here, you will see this number of repeats option. So if you want to add more waves, all you have to need increase the value of these field, and to decrease waves, just you can select 2 waves only. Okay, now to add shape dividers or edge at the top of the section or strip, all you have to need again select the section and click on shape dividers, and now you have to select the top option, and here you will find bunch of different shape dividers for top. Let's select these plants dividers shape for example, and here we can see the result. And the same way, go to customize design to change it. And now if you want to add or get more shape dividers, then all you have to need click on more shapes, and then you will directly jump into Wix media library dividers or shape divider sections. Here as you can see lots of shape dividers available. You can select any of them to add into your Wix website. For example, let's select this plant shape and clicking on choose file to insert the shape dividers into the section, and here as you can see the shape dividers added. So this is how we can easily add shape dividers into Wix website to make our site, strip or section more beautiful, more professional. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.